Unlike the vision portrayed by the international media, Pakistan is not only about terrorism and violence. It is sprawled with historic heritage and talismanic wonders. There are many heritage sites in Pakistan that have not been given their due importance and have been left to decay. You must have heard about the Great Wall of China, but have you heard of the Great Wall of Sindh? Rani Kot happens to be the largest unexplored fort in the world. It was built in the first quarter of the 19th century and is located in the Keithar Range in Sindh, Pakistan. The purpose of Rani Kot's construction, its choice of location, as well as the architects of the most talismanic wonder of Sindh are still a mystery. As one enters the fort, one can find hills, valleys, streams, watchtowers, fortresses, all inside Rani Kot, adding more to its allure. A spring emerging from an underground water source is called the Spring of Fairies. According to the local folklore, on the full moon nights, fairies from far and wide come to bathe at this spring. The Chaukhandi graveyard is situated 29 kilometers on the east of Karachi. This necropolis spreads over an area of 2 square miles and contains tombs of certain warriors of Baloch and Jokyo tribes settled in this area sometime during the 17th and 18th century AD. Jean-Philippe Vogel recognized that the tombs were Islamic, as indicated by the use of Arabic script and the alignment of the monuments towards the Makkah. Tombs are built on raised platforms in a pyramidal form with decorative stone slabs covered in relief with human and figurative designs. Most of the tombs represent family graveyards, and only a few are placed under pillar canopies finished in Hindu style. The design of its carvings are an inspiration for textile, wood and jewelry to date in Sindh. The tomb of Shahrukh Alam, grandson of Sheikh Bahauddin Zakaria, was built by the Tughlaq ruler of Delhi between 1320 and 1324 AD. It is the glory of Multan and is visible from every side when you enter the city. The 3-tiered structure is an unmatched pre-Mughal masterpiece. Although probably intended as a mausoleum for its own dynasty, it was presented to the family of the renowned Sufi saint following the latter's death. Besides its religious importance, the mausoleum is also of considerable archaeological value, as its dome is reputed to be the second largest in the world, after Gol Gumbad in Bijapur, India. These fascinating sites are reminiscent of ancient civilizations, cultures, myths, and stories. These are reminiscent of historic art and architecture. These are historical marks that humans have left on this planet. It is not only pertinent to protect these, but also to preserve them for generations to marvel and learn from. The 3 sites mentioned are just a handful from the many that are a heritage not only for Pakistan, but the entire world. They have been on the list of tentative UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and we hope that one day they make it to the official list. Signing out from Carbonated TV, this is Maheen.